if you type ipconfig in command prompt and see the error. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. First, type this command and press enter. If this works, your system is fine. It just means System32 is missing from your path. Now, let's add it to your path. Click the Start menu and search Environment Variables. Now, open Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, select Path, and click Edit. If this path is not listed here, simply click New and add it manually. After adding it, click OK. Click OK again to close all windows. Now, restart your PC. After the restart, open command prompt and type ipconfig. As you can see, it's now working properly. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.